Hello and welcome to Hobby Days. In this video I'll be showing you what to do when you run out of yarn in the middle of the project when working in the round. So I've got about 3 inches of yarn left here and I'm going to work the first part of the stitch as normal. Insert the hook, yarn over and pull through. Now instead of completing the stitch, I'm going to hold this tail inside the piece, wrap the new yarn around the hook and pull through to finish it off. Now I'm going to hold both these tails inside with my index finger of my right hand and pull the working yarn to tighten around the hook. Now switching to a finger on my left hand to hold those tails in place, I'm going to continue to work a few more stitches. And now I'm going to pull these tails until the stitch size matches the others. That looks good. And now tie in a double knot. Not too tight as I don't want to make that stitch any smaller. And then tuck these ends inside and you'd never know the difference. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like and subscribe to see more and feel free to leave a comment. And I will see you next time.